everybody. This is an unboxing video that is total surprise to me today that I didn't think I was gonna do for probably quite some time because I wasn't gonna get myself a Finex pan, but I've been, my friend Amanda actually turned me on to Finex pans. I've loved cast iron cooking in my El Cheapo Loge pans that I've really enjoyed, but my friend Amanda swear by these Finex pans, and I've wanted and coveted one for probably the past year or two. And my friend George today sent it to me as a surprise gift. Thank you, George. And I wanted to do an unboxing video just to really show you guys in real time what is going on here. We got the Finex pan, which is a 10-inch cast iron skillet. It includes a lid, okay? It was just shipped to me today. It's actually made in Portland, Oregon. Finex is a brand that's made in Portland, Oregon. I love the idea that it's a locally made pan, you know. I actually know some of the people that was part of the design for Finex. One of my friends actually helped design this handle. I'm gonna show you guys. Okay, I'm getting all excited. Anyway, here is the open box. This is the pan, and I want to show you guys. Check this pan out. Ooh. Okay, this is really heavy. It's not just dark gray. It's kind of almost like a copper goldish color. Beautiful with very heavy knob. I would say this thing weighs about maybe 4 pounds. I mean, it's really heavy. This is solid. All right, I want to show you guys this handle. I know someone that helped design this handle, and that is beautiful. I can't wait to actually hold this. All right, so let me just pull this up. Okay, this is a heavy cast iron pan. On the bottom, you can see the insignia. It's a Finex cast iron skillet, Portland, Oregon, where I'm from. I love you, Portland, Oregon. But yeah, I love the fact that this is made in the US. So quality on cast iron, the metals in the US, I love because the way that we actually process metals in the United States compared to, let's say, certain metals like steel from China, where they allowed like coal burning fires that really pollute the environment, right? So we have a lot more stringent requirements in the US that's environmentally friendly for metal processing. So I love the fact that this is made in the US and it's made locally in Portland, Oregon. Now, here's something. Okay, so this handle, let's talk about this handle. This is beautiful. This makes me so happy. Okay, I love the fact that this has got the surface that's like this. It makes it really easy to hold. Okay, and I would think that because, and I haven't tried it yet, I'll do a live, probably a cooking video with it rather than an unboxing. But I'm interested because if you look at these wires, they are not connected to the inner core here. And so I'm wondering if this stays cool when I hold it and cook with it, which I will let you guys know when I do, but I assume that it probably does. Oh, and I love that this is a gold handle. This is really pretty. I love the different colors. This is like a copperish iron color. This handle is pure like silver color, and there's a gold hinge right here. And I like the fact that there's also a little hole right here on top. So for some of the people who hang their pots, they can hang this pan on a hook. I love that. Okay, shape. Really cool shape. Look at the shape. Okay, it's not your typical round. It's got a fun little, I don't know what you call it. This is a sextagon. Is it a sextagon? Okay, I'm not a geometric person, but I'm sure that this is I probably just butchered what shape this is, but this is great. Okay, here's what's really cool about this pan, okay? So weight-wise, very similar to like your lower cost price cast iron pans. What I do like a couple things is I like this lip. The lip is really cool because you can carry it like this. We know how heavy these things are. And then on top of it, if you actually touch the bottom, this is smooth, okay? This is smooth. So that's very different than your regular cast iron pans from Loge, for example, which I do have one and I can show you guys really quickly. Let me just grab it. Here it is. I really do cook and use this stuff. But just to show you guys, this is the regular Loge one, and the bottom is well seasoned, but it's bumpy. It's bumpy, so those little bumps, some people really like that. They think that those little bumps help sear it or brown it better. However, it makes it less, it makes it more sticky. So what's cool about this is you got the beauty of the heat of cast iron, but then the surface is actually really smooth and even, which to me is kind of cool because it makes it more non-stick. So this is what I'm really interested in using and seeing how it works out is how, I mean, of course with the iron, it's gonna be really great at heat conduction and heat retention, but I'm really interested to see whether this sticks or not. And I love the beauty of this. This is just beautiful. This was crafted and made with love. So yeah, my unboxing it, this is a wow. As far as the beauty of this, I'm just really impressed. It comes with a booklet, cast iron cooking. It has all their pans in different sizes and shapes. Ooh, wow. They even have like little griddles, okay? Which is kind of cool. But I'm super impressed because I am impressed with this lid. And none of the cast irons actually have a lid. This one actually has a lid. And what's really cool is when you actually put the lid on, it seals really well, and inside gets like crazy ass hot cooking temperature, almost like a little internal oven here. So super excited, this unboxing. Thank you, George, for this amazing gift. And it's something I wouldn't have bought for myself. And so it's always amazing when someone else gets it for you and knows you that well. So I'm appreciative of you, George. And this is my unboxing video. And thank you, Amanda, for turning me on to this Finex pan set. And I can't wait to try it and actually give you guys a demonstration of me using this for the first time. Thanks, everybody.